This is not how Dave McIntosh envisioned his trip home from the hospital with his new son. He's joined by his sister as his wife Gillian is on a ventilator, fighting for her life.
They're doing everything they can in there, but there's so much damage done to her lungs. We don't know. She might end up needing, permanent care for the rest of her life.
Their son was born 2 weeks ago by an emergency C-section after his wife contracted COVID-19. She remains in a medically induced coma and has never seen her own son.
With no change in my wife, having this little bit of sunshine, a little bit of happiness to add to what's going on right now. But we just want Jill to get better and start showing some improvements.
Gillian McIntosh is one of the more than 60 people in the ICU with COVID in BC, and today the province saw a record number of deaths.
Sadly, in the last day, we have an additional 13 people who have died from COVID-19 here in British Columbia.
The McIntoshes don't know where Gillian got the virus, but they live in the Fraser Health region where there's significant community transmission. But specific data beyond that isn't available.
So while we are hearing rumblings that, a lot of it is coming out of particular areas, affecting particular communities, we don't know exactly why or how it's happening yet. And we don't have that data to help inform us.
The province has noted that transmission is happening in the South Asian community, but can't quantify it further because they aren't keeping race-based data. Public Health has been reaching out to different communities, but some believe the messages aren't clear enough.
Some of the health orders have been confusing or have mixed messages for even native English speakers. Then you can imagine for people for whom English is not their first language, there could be some missed communication or mixed communication there.
And Briar, Dr. Bonnie Henry also had to correct a whole bunch of data today?
Well, that's right. Officials say that over the last 9 days, there was an error with their system, and this led to both an over and under reporting of cases in Fraser Health. So, for instance, yesterday it looked like there was a big provincial spike, 941 cases, when the true total was just under 700. But still, the number of cases in Fraser Health is rising, and to keep up with the volume, the province has hired a couple of hundred contact tracers, and 70 are being deployed from the federal government, Andrew.
All right, but good to get that clarification. Briar Stewart in Vancouver tonight. Thank you so much.